Bonjour, explorers! Welcome back to Explore Our World, your go-to channel for travel inspiration and adventures. Today, we're jetting off to the magnificent land of cheese, wine, and romance, France. From charming villages to iconic landmarks, get ready to discover the top 10 places you must visit in this stunning country. So, without further ado, let's dive in. 10. Mont Saint-Michel. Our journey begins with the enchanting Mont Saint-Michel, a medieval abbey perched atop a rocky island off the Normandy coast. This UNESCO World Heritage Site seems straight out of a fairy tale, with narrow winding streets, historic buildings, and the mesmerizing interplay of tides. Explore the abbey's intricate Gothic architecture, climb to the top for panoramic views of the bay, and learn about its fascinating history as a place of pilgrimage and strategic stronghold. 9. Bordeaux. Next on our list is Bordeaux, a city synonymous with wine and elegance. Wander through its UNESCO-listed streets, lined with 18th-century buildings. Visit world-class wineries like Château Margaux and Château Haut-Brion, and indulge in delectable French cuisine at Michelin-starred restaurants. Don't miss the opportunity to cruise along the Garonne River, explore the Cité du Vin Wine Museum, and experience the lively atmosphere of the Place de la Bourse. 8. Loire Valley. Prepare to be transported to a land of chateaux and picturesque landscapes in the Loire Valley. Explore magnificent castles like Château de Chambord, a Renaissance masterpiece with its double helix staircase, and Château de Chenonceau, gracefully spanning the Cher River. Stroll through the perfectly manicured gardens of Villandry, cycle along the scenic Loire River, and immerse yourself in the region's rich history, where kings and queens once walked the halls of these fairy tale fortresses. 7. Provence. In 7th place, we have Provence, a region of endless lavender fields, olive groves, and quaint hilltop villages. Immerse yourself in the vibrant colors and scents of the countryside as you wander through the purple-hued fields of Valençol. Visit the historic city of Avignon, home to the imposing Palais des Papes and the famous Pont d'Avignon. Indulge in the flavors of Provençal cuisine, from ratatouille to bouillabaisse, and explore the Roman ruins of Orange and Arles. 6. Normandy. Heading back to Normandy, we discover a land of rich history and natural beauty. Explore the D-Day landing beaches, where history echoes in the sands of Omaha and Utah beaches. Pay tribute to the fallen soldiers at the American Cemetery in Colleville-sur-Mer, and visit the poignant Mont Saint-Michel Abbey, a UNESCO World Heritage Site rising dramatically from the sea. Wander through charming towns like Honfleur, known for its picturesque harbor immortalized by artists like Monet and Boudin. 5. French Riviera. Coming in at number 5 is the glamorous French Riviera, where sun-drenched beaches meet glitzy cities. Explore the chic streets of Cannes, famous for its annual film festival and luxurious boutiques. Relax on the pristine sands of Saint-Tropez, a favorite playground of celebrities and jet-setters. Admire the stunning views from the cliff-top village of Èze, with its medieval charm and botanical gardens. Dive into the azure waters of the Mediterranean and soak up the vibrant atmosphere of this playground of the rich and famous. 4. Lyon. Moving inland, we reach Lyon, a city famed for its gastronomy and Renaissance architecture. Stroll through the UNESCO-listed Old Town, known as Vieux Lyon, with its hidden traboules, secret passageways, and colorful Renaissance buildings. Sample mouth-watering Lyonnaise cuisine in traditional bouchons, from savory quenelle to décadent tarte aux pralines. Marvel at the Basilica of Notre-Dame de Fourvière, perched atop Fourvière Hill, offering panoramic views of the city below. Lyon truly embodies the art of living well, with its blend of history, culture, and culinary delights. 3. Dordogne. In 3rd place, we have the Dordogne, a region of fairy tale castles, prehistoric caves, and meandering rivers. Explore the medieval town of Sarlat-la-Canéda, with its perfectly preserved architecture and bustling markets. Discover ancient cave paintings in Lascaux, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and delve into the underground wonders of Gouffre de Padurac. cruise along the serene Dordogne River, passing by enchanting villages like Beynek-et-Cazenac, crowned by a majestic chateau. This hidden gem promises a journey back in time, where medieval history and natural beauty intertwine. 2. Versailles. Our penultimate destination is the iconic Palace of Versailles, a symbol of French grandeur and opulence. Marvel at the lavish Hall of Mirrors, where the Treaty of Versailles was signed, and stroll through the meticulously landscaped gardens, adorned with statues, fountains, and manicured lawns. Explore the opulent apartments of Louis XIV, the Sun King, and imagine the extravagant royal balls and ceremonies held within these gilded halls. A visit to Versailles is a step back into the splendor of the French monarchy, a dazzling display of art, history, and architecture. 1. Paris. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. Number 1 on our list is none other than the City of Light, Paris. From the iconic Eiffel Tower, symbolizing the romance of the city, to the artistic haven of Montmartre, where painters like Picasso and Van Gogh once roamed, Paris captivates with its beauty and charm. Indulge in world-class art at the Louvre, home to masterpieces like the Mona Lisa, and wander along the Seine at sunset, passing by iconic landmarks such as Notre Dame Cathedral and the Musée d'Orsay. Savor exquisite pastries at quaint cafes, explore the bohemian streets of Le Marais, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of this cosmopolitan city. Paris is a city that will steal your heart and leave you longing for more. And there you have it, fellow travelers, the top 10 places to visit in France. Which destination are you most excited to explore? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Explore Our World for more travel inspiration, and hit that bell icon to never miss an adventure. Until next time, au revoir.